Hello everybody, Adentia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. So today I want to talk about something that is really dear to my heart and really important in my life at the moment, because I just can't stop buying clothes. So the thing that I've learned, because some people think that my wardrobe is like endless, and I'm like, no, it's not. I don't have enough space to have an endless wardrobe. The thing is, I've learned with time to resell or donate something every time I buy something new, and that's how I've learned and discovered different methods on how to resell your clothes online. I've said it before, but I live in a small town, so I don't have access to like thrift shops, but it's easier when I have to donate clothes because there are donation box everywhere. But if I want to resell something, I have to do it online like everybody. So there are different methods, and you should admit that clothes are like a really bad investment. Let's be real. If you are buying fast fashion or buying clothes in general, even if it's accessories like bags and stuff, you are definitely going to lose. Let's say that you are definitely going to lose money if you are buying fast fashion. If you are planning on reselling your pieces, you're definitely going to lose money. That's just the way it is. You only get to make a profit if you are buying like clothes at an outlet, like for lower prices, and then sell them at a higher price, because it sometimes happens to me. If I buy something at an outlet at a lower price, I'm able to sell it at a higher price. That has happened before. It happens sometimes. But if you're buying fast fashion, you are certainly going to lose money. And if you are buying like high-end clothes, of course you are not going to lose that much money. If you are buying like high-end pieces or couture, you are definitely not going to lose that much money. And you have like investment pieces like baking bags, like Chanel bags and everything. So it just depends on how you spend your money. But if I'm talking about myself, I do buy secondhand. I buy I would never say that I buy sustainable brands, because nothing is really sustainable, and I do buy outlet pieces and fast fashion. So secondhand, fast fashion, outlet pieces, and pieces that I found on Amazon and stuff. So I would say that to resell online, you have different options. You can resell pieces yourself. Like I was saying, I would say that if you want to sell online, you have different options. You can resell it yourself. I live in Germany, for example, and we have different shops. The two I use the most right now are eBay Kleinanzeigen and Vinted, and you can sell, like, you can take pictures and then put them online to describe the pieces you want to sell and say at what price you want to sell them. I think that platforms like these exist almost everywhere, so that's the easiest way. The thing is, it costs time. I've realized that taking pictures of the pieces while wearing them helps me sell them easier, because people can easily see how the pieces fit, and it doesn't even matter if it's a dress, a top, or even shoes. I thought that people were going to be disgusted at seeing shoes on my feet, because I mean it was just a weird thought, because I'm like, yeah, if you're buying secondhand shoes, you know that somebody else wore them. But it was weird to me to be like making pictures of shoes on feet and then selling and then put them online to sell them. But it actually helps people, because they see how the pieces fit, they see if they like the design or not more. Because I'm the same way, like you are the same way when you are looking for pieces online. it helps you to see somebody wear the pieces. So it's the same thing while selling second-hand pieces, I guess. And for clothes, I usually just do a mirror selfie without my face, and then it helps. Like I was saying, selling pieces yourself costs time, and you are probably losing money, and people want to discuss the price with you, and it just costs money because it takes time to sort out your clothes. It takes time to take pictures of the clothes you want to sell. It takes time to put them online, and then it takes time to discuss prices with people who are interested, because some people say that they're interested and then they don't buy it, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. So it takes time, and then when somebody finally buys it, it takes time to pack it, to put it in a package, and then go to the post office or whatever options you have. It just takes time, and time is money, so you are probably losing money and even more money in the process. But I would say that it helps. At least it helps you create a small budget to buy something new, and it just gives you more space in your closet if they are just pieces that you don't wear. So it just helps. So next options, you have like concierge services, where you send the pieces you want to sell to like an online shop. I would say in Germany we have examples like Flohmarkt and Sellpy, where you send your clothes and then they do all that they do that process of sorting out, making pictures, putting it online. They do all that job for you, and whenever your piece is being bought by somebody else, they like take a small commission from you, from the price. It's totally up to you. It just depends on how much time you have, I would say, but it's another safe and easy solution when you want to resell your clothes online. And the last option that I like the most, when I don't have time, or when my pieces have spent way too much time online and nobody bought it, I'm like, okay, if I just want or need more space and I don't necessarily want to donate the pieces, I'm going to choose a marketplace like Momox, where I think like Momox is like Urbop, I don't know, but Momox in Germany. And you go on their platform online, and you can just for example, if I want to sell this blazer or sell a blazer from Zara, for example, so you go on their marketplace, on their platform online, and you say, I have this blazer from Zara, it's for women, it's still gender binary, so it's for women, and they tell you, okay, for a blazer from Zara, we are able to give you like 5 or 8 euros, and it's up to you to say, okay, that price is fine by me, or to say, no, that's not enough for me, and then you just sell it yourself. I would say that on places like Momox and or Urbop, you get way less money as when you would have sold it yourself. It's just what it is. Like because of the fact that they buy it directly from you, they just give you way less money than, because they are also not sure about the fact that they will be able to sell the piece. So I get that, but at the same time, it's way less money than when I would have sold the piece myself if I could have sold it. You know what I mean? So those are the options I know of and that I currently use, because I sell pieces on 2 of those platforms and buy pieces on 2 of those platforms. It's just like a cycle for me right now, because it's easier to be like, okay, I'm selling this and I'm getting this if I want something new, because it just helps instead of keeping things that I don't wear and spending way more money than I should have if I wouldn't have sell something. You know, it still helps. It helps me balance a bit, you know. So editing me here, I realized that I completely forgot to explain the whole process. So you get an offer from them. If you accept the offer, they give you a shipping label, so you just have to pack it, to put whatever you want to sell in a package and send it to them. Then they have to prove everything, and if they accept the conditions your pieces are in, they accept everything, and then you get an email, they send you the money, and that's it. So I hope that this little video helps you. Thank you for watching. I have to ask you to drop a like if you liked the video, if you find it informative, and I will see you next time. Bye.